Hazrat Abu Wail states that Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu was said, "Why don't you say anything about it?" He radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, "I definitely talk to him, but don't want to be the first to open the door to strife. Nor am I the person who tells anyone who is a chief of any two persons that he is extremely a nice person, as a flattery. After it, that I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, a man will be brought on the resurrection day, then he will be hurled into hell, and he will move around therein, as an ass moves around a millstone. The other denizens of hell will thereupon cluster around him and say, O so and so, did not you use to bid us to do good and forbid us to do evil deeds? He will reply, I used to bid the people to do good, but I myself would not do it, and I used to forbid to do evil acts, but I myself would indulge in them. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7098.